betting techniques. Today I am going to be teaching you, or I'm going to be sharing a little short video on comparison between BetNiger and BetKing. Which one is better? So looking at some parameters, and going to using some parameters to compare the both of them. Parameters like their odds, the website, the user interface, the user friendly. We're going to be looking at website, how fast it loads, and then a lot more. You understand? Okay, they have the versions of their website and what have you. So if you are visiting Identity Digest for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so that you get notified every time I update new videos. Having said that, let's dive into the video of today. Now, one thing has to be registered here. BetKing and BetNiger are registered companies under the Nigerian Lagos State Lotteries Commission. You understand? So they are both registered. You understand? So now we're going to be starting with which one is older than each other. Now, BetNiger has been in this business of betting or sports betting or lottery or whatever you want to call it since 2013. You understand? So it has been there. It has been grounded before BetKing came into existence and registered in 2018. You understand? BetNiger is 5 years older than BetKing. You understand? And secondly, BetNiger has more selections, more competitive selections, more options that you can select from that you can't find on what is it called? BetKing. You understand? And they have a shop version where you can let me type their shop version where you can view their options, and it will be more wider and more easy to identify than the one you have on BetKing, which you have to scroll down and down and down on it. You understand? That's about BetNiger. Then now this is the shop version where you can see a whole lot of matches. Then when you click on soccer here, you come to, let's say, England, and then you say Premier League. Now when it opens, now you're going to see, can you see that it is easy for you to identify with any of these options that are here, thousands and hundreds and of options that you can select from here, and make your selections and you can win. But BetKing, what do we have? Let's look at what we have here. Remember, we are making a comparison, and we are not going to say, so it's reserved for you to choose which one you think is better after pointing out some of these things. Now, these are options. This one, you can see how it is. It's more easier for you to choose from the shop at the BetNiger shop that I just opened. It's more easier for you to choose from that than to choose from this one. That's one point registered. Then another point I think here is the odds. You understand? The odds on BetNiger are relatively higher on several occasions, and several times I have checked the odds on BetNiger. They are always very, very higher than that of BetKing. You understand? I think that's also another point that I think another place I think they have an edge over BetKing. You understand? But when it becomes difficult is when BetKing applies their odds boost that BetNiger doesn't normally do. When they apply their odds boost, the odds relatively sometimes goes higher than that of BetNiger, or even equals that of BetNiger. You understand? That point has been registered. That point has been made. I think another thing is their bonuses that they offer. You understand? The bonuses that they offer. If you come to BetKing offers you 100% cashback up to 5,000 naira for your bet during the promotion if your ticket settled and lost. You understand? But then that's cashback, if you understand what I said. But then on BetNiger, it's actually not the same thing. They normally give you promos or bonuses on your initial deposit, second deposit, and the third one alone, and that ends it. But on BetKing rather, it's the contrary. They give you even up to the 11th time, you keep getting that, what is it called, cashback bonus. You understand? As they normally call it. That's that about that. Then another thing we'll be looking at is the fact that They have both of them have their light version, and then they also have their old mobile version. You understand? Then they have their full version. You understand? One good thing about this light version is that it is relatively pocket friendly. It consumes less data and it consumes less time. You understand? Unlike the full version where you will have it to load. But then on BetNiger, it loads their website loads faster than that of BetKing. You understand? Just look at it. Can you see that? I just reloaded it, and this is what we have. Let's reload BetKing and see what happens. Now I just reloaded BetKing. Let's see how long it takes. Can you see that? That is the difference between the both of them. BetNiger, their website loads more faster than BetKing. You understand? That's another edge they have over what is it called? BetKing. It's still loading up till now. You can see the difference is very, very clear. Their websites has no doesn't have the bugs that you can get and glitches that you can get on BetKing. I think I have some screenshots that I took that I'm going to be using also to buttress these claims further. Now comparing the both of them in terms of payment statistics, you can see that BetKing and BetNiger minimum deposit on both of them is 100, but the maximum deposit on BetKing is 10,000, whereas on BetNiger you can deposit up to the tune of 1 million naira. Minimum withdrawal 1,000 for each of them, and the maximum withdrawal 10 million for BetKing, and then BetNiger you can see 9,999,999,999 naira. So that's as regards their payments and stuff. Then come to here again, you can see BetNiger strengths, weaknesses, BetKing strengths, weaknesses. Now if you look at here on BetNiger, you will see more extensive range of sports markets. You understand? When it says lower payout times. You understand? Then if you come to BetKing, it says great customer service. Then if you come to the weakness, it says less competitive odds. Less competitive odds. Remark that. You understand? Then it says on BetNiger, it says markets more competitive odds. You understand? Okay. More competitive odds. Then there are no weaknesses on that. Then you look at this, it says fast payout times on BetKing, and then you see great mobile versions on BetNiger. Then you look at that, it says on their weaknesses, you look at welcome bonus only applies to the first 3 deposits. You get that? You understand? But then before, remember, BetKing applies these bonuses up to even the 11th time that you fund your account. I think they have an edge over BetNiger on that. You understand? They say wide range of sports markets, sleek and user-friendly mobile version. You remember that? So when I mentioned that they have their light version, so I think the light version is sometimes user-friendly. And for those who are using latter versions of phones or who have do not have fast network or good networks, I think they normally use that, to. So they said, and the ability on BetNiger, it has the ability to place bets via SMS, whereas on BetKing, no SMS betting options. So I think that's that about that. So if you're thinking of which one is better among the both of them, I think I have explained a little bit. So it's now reserved for you to choose which one among BetNiger and BetKing is more preferable to you. So you look at the parameters I pointed out, their odds differences, and the websites in the